Hello children, today we are going to revise chapter number 11, that is Kitty and Witty. Value we are going to learn is avoiding fight, that we should not fight. So do you fight with each other? Yes, sometimes we fight with our friends, with our siblings, etc. Do you think fighting help? Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you fought with your friend and got some benefit? Read the story to find out more. So it is a story about Kitty and Witty, though they were two cats who lived in a colony. They were good friends. One day, both of them were very hungry. That means they want to eat something. They were roaming for food but did not get any. They were tired too. Both of them decided to rest for a while. Suddenly, they saw what? They saw a lady throwing a big chapati outside the house. Kitty and Witty were delighted. They were very happy because they were very hungry. They both ran towards it and both pounced on the chapati together and started fighting for it. I saw it first, said Kitty. No, I reached here first, said Witty. Both started saying, it is mine. The quarrel broke out between the two. A monkey was sitting on the top of the tree. He was watching everything. He came down and said, why are you fighting, Kitty and Witty? Told him the whole story. The monkey listened to them and then said, you give the chapati to me. I will help you divide it into two. So monkey said, give this chapati to me and I will divide this into two. The cats agreed and gave him his chapati. He tore it into two pieces, but one is bigger than the other. Now what he has done, he tore it into two pieces. The दो pieces में कर दिया रोटी, but one piece was bigger than another. The monkey said, don't worry, I will settle that. He tore it again, and the large piece he put it in the mouth. Cat waited for their share. Now he said, the first piece seems to be bigger now. So he again tore off a piece from a first piece and ate it too. Each time the pieces he made were unequal. He kept breaking off the pieces and eating them. The cat watched and watched, waiting for their turn. In the end, only one piece was left. He said, now only one piece is left. If I will give it to either of you, you will fight again. So he put the last piece also into his mouth and went away. Now there was no chapati left. Both Kitty and Witty were very sad. They realized how their fight helped the monkey and caused a loss to them. So they decided that they will solve all their problems with love and faith in the future. So moral is, quarreling is never a solution to anything. We should never fight. Rather we should talk with each other and solve the problem. Thank you.